Hey y'all, Grilla Girl here tonight, and we're going to make some chicken skewers. Pretty easy. Grilla Girl's going to cook up some nice kebabs. Now, I've got some chicken thighs here, cut into cubes. If you want to use chicken breast, that's fine too. I have coated it with some AP, a little bit of just curry powder. I've used the sweet, you could use the hot, and some golden bold sauce. I've stirred it up and I'm going to let it sit 20 to 30 minutes and put it on my skewers, and then we're going to put them on the grilla. If you wish, you could leave out the curry powder if it's not your thing and just do it with these two ingredients and it's delicious too. There you go, they're all skewered up. The little trick is what I do is lay it on Saran wrap so I don't have to clean up anything. I've got my Grilla on 350 and I've placed these kebabs on here. They're about done. Since they're thigh meat, you want to make sure that they're 160 degrees. I'll give them about 5 more minutes. Normally on about 350 or 400, these should take maybe 12 minutes. Good. All right, y'all. They're done. Let's take them in and have some dinner. 12 minutes on the grill and we're ready for dinner. Hope you enjoy.